Hello everyone, my name is Shivanshu Gupta and we are going to discuss our HTML lecture series. And in HTML lecture series, in a last turn we was discussing basic of HTML page, how can we create HTML code on your mobile, and what is HTML, like hypertext markup language, and why we are using HTML for creating a web pages. Okay, and if you want to run web HTML code, then you have to use web browser for running HTML code, because we already know कि HTML is a hypertext markup language and used to create a web pages. Okay, and web pages is always run on web browsers. Okay, so today we are going to discuss new tags. Okay, and in this tag we are discussing a tag heading tag, and in HTML there are 6 heading tags, h1 to h6. Okay, and h1 gives the output in a large form, and h6 is a lowest heading tag. Okay, so for this, first of all you have to go to your HTML application, like HTML5 is an application which we are using to which we are using on mobile. Okay, so first of all we have to open this application and go to the editor option. Okay, editor option, and after that editor option. Okay, so here if you want to type your code, then you can type, otherwise I have already typed, so I am going to my editor option, and in my editor I have typed this code. So I am copying this code, and after copying this code I will paste this code on my web page. Okay, so I am pasting this code. So this is a code of HTML, and we already know in HTML code there is a HTML syntax like HTML open and HTML close, and inside HTML there are two parts. Number one is head part, head open, head close, and second one is body part, body open and body close. Okay, inside a head part we are giving a title, title open, title close. Okay, and inside a body we are whatever we will write inside a body tag, it will display on your web page. Okay, so here I am using body tag with two attributes, text and bg color. Okay, text attribute contains whatever color you want, like you want your content will be displayed on orange color, so I'm using text equal to orange. And if you want to background color green, so you have to use bg color attribute, and green is a value. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of your HTML code. Okay, and inside a body I am want to display happy Independence Day. Okay, in advance. Okay, so I will run this code with the help of this output icon, and the result is in front of you. Okay, so here you will see then happy Independence Day will be displayed with the help of orange color, and background color is green. Okay, fine. So now we also I'm telling that I want to use heading tag here. So so go to the code option, and I'm showing you a heading tag. Okay, so if you want to use heading tag, then you have to use h1. Okay, so I'm using h1. Okay, so so you can use h1 here. Okay, before this happy Independence Day you have to use h1. Okay, so here I'm using h1. Okay, h1. Okay, so h1 tag I have given. Okay, then you can press enter key, so h1 will come before this. Okay, so your h1, and you can close h1 here. There is no problem, then you can write h1 here and there is no problem. Okay, then h1 close. Okay, when you will run this code, then you will get the result h1, your happy Independence Day comes larger. Okay, so and if you want to use a second heading tag like h2. Okay, so if you are using h2 heading tag, so you can change this heading, like if you are using h2 here. Okay, and there is no problem, because you can use h2 then h1 close, h2 close here. There is no problem, you can you can use h2 open, h2 close in the same line also, there is no problem. Okay, so we are using h2 tag, then run this code. Okay, so you have to see the what's the difference between h1 and h2. So h1 is a larger heading, h2 is a smaller, and if you are using what h3 tag, h3 h6. Okay, if you are using h6, so h6 is very minimum heading tag. Okay, so this will display a very minimum size. Okay, so this is h6. So this is a coding of h1 to h6 heading tag in HTML. Okay, thank you so much, wishing you all the very best. Take care.